Easy breakfast smoothie.
Hey, y'all, watch this.
Alright, today I'm going to show you one of our family's favorite breakfasts, and it's easy, fast, and nutritious. A berry and spinach smoothie. The great thing about a smoothie is that you can really put almost anything in it. I like to add a bit of green, so I normally buy a bag of spinach and I actually just stick it in the freezer. I also add some frozen mixed berries, some flaxseed, and some chia seeds. And then of course, yogurt. So I buy whatever yogurt's on sale for my kids. This one obviously has sugar added. I'm lactose free, so I use this, and then to make it a bit sweeter, I generally add a little bit of maple syrup when I do my smoothie. But today, I'm making one for the kids. I usually start with water because the frozen berries really seem to kind of stay solid for a while. I'm starting with the frozen spinach and the frozen berries. As you can see, I don't really measure. I'm making it for 4 kids, so I just do as much as I feel is needed. But you could do more or less depending on how many people you're feeding. Then I'll toss in some chia seeds. And then some ground flax seeds. Flaxseed is an excellent source of fiber. I buy ground flaxseed, so then you just have to remember that it does have to be stored in the fridge. Next is the yogurt of your choice. And get ready to blend. So it's just not working, so I definitely need to add some more water. Sometimes I have to give it a little stir just to get the water to go to the bottom. Beautiful. Now grab some glasses. Add a straw, and there's your delicious, easy smoothie.